Hello honey, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a hippo. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Nanny Julie and you won't miss my new lessons. Now let's look at the picture. We can see a head, ears, body, paws and tail. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, ears, body, paws and tail. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the left of the paper. We're gonna draw an oval. Then draw an arc over here on the top of the oval. An arc. Oh, you're doing great! I like your line. Now let's draw an eyes. 2 dots over here, the first and the second. Then let's draw an ears. What's a drop shape on the left side on the top of the head? And the same thing on the right side. Okay, that's right. Keep on trying. Now let's draw a nose. Curve on the left side, on the right side, in the oval. Then 2 dots under these lines. Okay, you're doing great. Now let's draw a smile. U shape in the middle. Oh, you're doing great! Now let's draw a body. Draw an oval over here. I start in the bottom of the head and draw a big oval to the head. Repeat after me. Then let's draw a paws. 2 lines underneath the head. The first and the second, and let's connect them. Then another 2 lines under the body over here, and let's connect them. Then draw another paw over here. I draw a line on the right side, the first and the second, and connect them. These paws on the same level, and the last paw, 2 vertical lines and connect them. Now let's draw a tail. Draw a diagonal line over here on the right side and connect to the body. Now let's add a t-shirt. I draw a line over here. Then 2 lines over here, 2 horizontal lines, here and here. Now let's add stars. Upside down V shape, sideways V shapes on both sides, and V shape on the bottom. Our hippo is almost ready. Keep it up, you're doing great. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie art. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. My hippo will be great. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. My hippo has roses in its cheeks. Draw a circle over here. Oh, you're doing great! I choose yellow for stars and dark blue for t-shirt. Oh, your hippo is so beautiful! I like your drawing! I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. See you! Bye bye!